A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamokase, mamokase, mamokase. So I'm not surprised to see another vehicle being launched in the VAPOSTORI for ED. And instead of us seeing vapostori veAfrica, vapostori vekwamarangi, kana kuti vapostori kupi, we are seeing vapostori for ED, something which is so embarrassing and so humiliating. So when I saw these guys, I just got surprised. Ndozvinhu zvacho zviri kutoitika munyika. So I don't know. Honestly speaking, this is what is happening, as you can see right here on the screen. Vapositori for ED ndo vakalaunchwa kandova muri kuonawo, vane musvumbunuro wemercedes benz yamuri kuona iri pascreen apo. That is the situation in the nation of Zimbabwe. That is what is happening, Team Zimbabwe. Vapostori for ED. We now have men believed. We now have women for ED. We have all sorts of things for ED. Everything for ED. While the country is burning, some people don't even stop bringing some issues, silly issues, for that matter. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Vapostori for ED valonjwa and vapostori for ED vauya hot, vauya heavy. I don't know what you think about these whole issues, but myself, I'm feeling embarrassed at this moment in time. Instead of us focusing on the more important issues, we are focusing on one man. Murume ane 80 years wamuri kufocusa naye. Kuti umwe musi mwari anogona kungomuka vakagumbuka. One day mwari anogona kungomuka vakagumbuka. What do you do with this for ED, this for ED, this for ED when it's no longer there? You should learn from Robert Mugabe. What happened to Robert Mugabe? Mapareta ese aipfeka maregalia ese ana Robert Mugabe, especially towards that period of 2017 pamakanga muchiita mayouth interface. Mota dzakanga dzakabrandwa gushungu, mabhazi akanga akabrandwa gushungu, hembe dzakanga dzakabrandwa gushungu, makepesi, madhuku zvese. When Gushungu was removed from power, he lost everything, including regalia and anything chakanga chine face yake. 2018, you never used anything chakanga chine face ya Gushungu. How many dollars, how many millions were lost during that period in time pamakanga muchiti Gushungu naamai? Because makabranda sezvamakaita zviri pascreen, everything. Right now, everything is for ED. You are branding everything in the name of ED, in the name of one man. What if mangwana akamuka asiri president, kana kuti akamuka asiri candidate yeZANU PF up to 2023? What is going to happen? Mota dzamakabranda, marori amakabranda, dzimba, maoffices amakabranda, hembe dzamakabranda. Ike zvinezvi kune majuzi, kune hembe, kune zvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana, maskava. What is going to happen to all those things? These are things which are going to just throw away. Millions and millions and millions of dollars thrown away. But muzvikoro munenge musina madesk, munenge musina classrooms, pasina anything for the kids, especially in the rural areas. And you don't care. What you care about is chakat for ED, chakat for ED, chakat for ED, chakat for ED. When are you going to grow up as citizens? When are you going to grow up and see the reasons why we must not base on regalia? This is what I always say to the opposition, to Nelson Chamisa and this team. There is no need for you to come up with regalia. Muchiti yellow, muchimanyane regalia. No. Yellow must not be on regalia. Yellow must be seen in schools. Kids going to school with your school uniforms, especially in the rural areas. Inini, I want to see a situation where munhu wese ari kuti yellow, ari kuti Chamisa. Une mari yako, don't buy t-shirt. Go and buy a school uniform. Go and buy school shoes. Go and buy textbooks for the kids. That's what we need to see. And the day I will see that happening, I will know for sure that Zimbabwe has transformed itself to be the first nation to deal with useless things, useless regalias. So this is it. This is my thinking. Apostle for ED launched in the nation of Zimbabwe. I don't know what you think about this whole issue in the comment section. Please help me understand. What do you think about this new division of Apostle for ED inonzi tora mari United, signing out. My name is Ronald Okomagosha.